Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to print the subarrays of an array. Okay. So first understand what is a subarray. A subarray is a continuous part of an array. That means, let's take an example. So 2 4 6, so it is continuous, so it is a subarray. 2 itself is also a subarray. And let's take an example, 2 4 and 8. So it is not an subarray because it is not a continuous part of the array, so that's why it is not a subarray. Okay, we have to print all the subarrays from this array. Okay, so what will be the subarrays which will start from 2? Okay, so 2, then uh, 2 and 4, 2 4 6, then 2 4 6 8, and 2 4 6 8 10. So there is less space here, 2 4 6 8 and 10. So this will be the subarrays. Now the subarrays starting from 4, so that will be 4 4 and 6, 4 6 8, then 4 6 8 and 10. So then the subarrays starting from 6 will be 6, then 6 8, then 6 8 and 10. So next, the subarray starting from the element 8 will be 8, then 8 and 10. And the subarray starting from 10 will be only 10. So these are the all possible subarrays from the given array. Okay, so the subarrays starting from 2 will be 5. Then the subarrays starting from 4 will be 4, then 3 and 4 2 and 1. Okay, suppose there is n array length and its subarrays will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So okay, this much will be the subarrays. Okay, the concept is very similar to the print pairs in an array. So we have created an video for it. You can check. It is similar to that concept. So what we will do, let's take an example. So this, I have created an array, and in that first we take this element and this element, and we have to print all the uh, elements between them. So after printing all the elements, we increase the length, and we will go to next element. So we pick first and this element, and we have to print all possible elements from this array. So similarly to after printing all the elements, we have to increase the range, and we have to pick this element. So first and this element we have to pick, and we have to print all possible all the elements between them. Okay, so similarly all. Okay, so we have to pick first and the last element, and we have to print all possible elements, means all the elements between them. Okay, so next will be, we have to pick 4 and then 6, and we have to print all the possible elements between them. Okay, so similarly we have to do. So let's write a pseudocode for it. So for first we have to take two variables I and j. So we can take as start and end. Okay, so then we have to run a loop for int I is equal to 0 to n, means array dot length. Then we have to run another loop inside the for loop for int j is equal to I plus 1 to array of length. And then we have to run another loop for loop in this loop for int k is equal to I. Okay, so we have to print I to j. Okay, to this. So this is for start and this is end, and we have to print all the elements between them. And here we simply print array of k. Okay, so let's take an example here. So the starting point will be as I is equal to 2, and n will be, if we start from 2, well, n will be 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, 2 and 10. So we will take 2 and 4 first. Okay, then we will take 2, 4 and 6. Then here I have written 2, 4 and 6. Then we have to take 2, 4, 6 and 8. And I have taken here 2, 4, 6 and 8. And similarly we have to take 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So I have written here 2, 4, 6 and 10. So this way we have to print subarrays. So let's see in our practical session. So I have created a class called demo, and in that I'm created a main method, and now in that I'm creating an array. I will create a function public, the return type will be int, and the function name will be subarray, and I will pass the array in this function. Okay, now in that I will run a nested for loops for int uh, I is equal to 0 and I should less than array of length, and I will be updated. Then now I will run an inner for loop for int is equal to I plus 1 and j should less than array dot length, and j will be updated. Now after that we have to run an loop subarrays between starting point and the ending point. Okay, int k is equal to I means starting point, and k should less than or equal to j. J means ending point. and k will be gets updated. Now we have to simply print the array of k. Okay, and also here we have to give the next line. Now I have to return the value. So let's have returning 0 here. Now let's call the function. So we have to create a object for this class, and then we have to call this function. So d1 dot sub array. So here I have called the function from the main method. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. So the output that we get as this: the subarray starting from 2, the subarray starting from 4, the subarray starting from 6, and the subarray starting from 8, and as well 10. So this way we can get the subarrays of an array. So thank you for watching this video.